Simplify சுருக்குக. The question is given here 2 into 3 by 4 divided by 2 into 2 by 3 divided by 1 into 1 by 12 in மதிப்பு. What is the value of this number? Asking question. The options are given here, which is the correct answer. Now listen here. I have written same question in the down. The denominator I written multiply symbol. The numerator I have written add symbol. Multiply, add. Now let it be see the sum. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 by 4 divided by 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 3 divided by symbol. 112 is 12. 12 plus 1 13 divided by 12. Same as well as we are going to do the next step. 11 divided by 4. Here one simple tricks. Divide symbol we want to change the multiply symbol, means should write reciprocal from this number. Shall we write? Now 3 by 8 into 12 by 13. Now reciprocal mean தலைக்கீழ எழுதுறது, கீழே இருக்கிற நம்பர் மேலே மேலே இருக்கிற நம்பர் கீழே. Now let it be simplify. Into symbol if coming means can simplify. 1 4 is 4, 3 4s are 12. Remaining numbers we are going to multiply. 11 by 1 into 3 by 8 into 3 by 13. Now same 11 into 3 3s are 9. 11 by 1. Now 13 into 8. Now 3 8s are 24. Remaining 2. 1 8 is 8. 8 plus 2 10. So the answer is 104. Now the numerator number 11 9s are 99. The denominator 104. So the final answer is 99 by 104. So option C is the correct answer. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.